guys, MobbyNerd here, and I'm going to talk about Super Chat. Now, if you don't know what Super Chat is, let me explain. Super Chat is a way to donate money to YouTubers that you like while watching them live. When Super Chat was first introduced, it was touted as a game-changing feature for the website, as many YouTubers found a new stream of revenue. Also, it made live streaming on YouTube seem more viable, which is great. But here's what they don't tell you, and here's why I think that Super Chat needs a little work. Mind you, at the time of recording this video, I do not qualify for Super Chat anyways, but screw it, let's talk about it anyways. One of the biggest slaps in the face to smaller YouTubers who find themselves qualifying for Super Chat, if they aren't already generating revenue. Key point, if you aren't already making money off of your videos, I don't know what I was pointing at there, something invisible I suppose. If you aren't already generating revenue, Super Chat's not gonna be fun for you. You see, imagine this scenario, if you will. You're streaming a game, having a jolly good time.
Oh, are you mad you fell off the cliff? I'm sorry, dude. Let me just... No, that's not it. What's the point of punching the ladder? I want to shank this guy. No!
Kinda like... And out of nowhere, someone is kind enough to donate $1 or $2 to you. What you don't know is you won't see any of that money until you reach a total of $100. You see, Super Chat is done through Google AdSense, and AdSense does not pay out until you reach a total of $100 or more. Also, Google AdSense takes 30% of all income. How do I know this, and why do I care? Well, let me tell you a story. You see, a long time ago, we had a little bit of a joke bet on my channel here, where if I was able to raise $100 minimum, I would dance around my town in a dress. You can see that in the description, you bastards. We did it! Spoiler alert. But a problem that did occur during the fundraising was that I was unaware that YouTube took 30% and that it wouldn't pay out. I didn't really... Now, that wasn't going to stop me from keeping my word. Link in the description, you bastards. But that could be seen as a huge slap in the face to other people who are raising money for more charitable reasons. I've seen countless live streams where people are raising money for certain fundraisers and they're getting really excited and people donate, which is great. And then they can't access that money because YouTube won't pay it out until they reach 100. So if they don't reach $100, then they're screwed. These are channels that are comparable to my size. So it's safe to assume they probably aren't making a lot of money off of just their YouTube videos alone. A channel my size would be better off being sponsored, but thankfully I'm sponsored by you lovely people on Patreon. You guys rock. The point I'm trying to make is Super Chat, while touted as this amazingly great and lovely feature for streaming on YouTube, is great if you're a big YouTuber already. If you aren't making that bank, why did I throw these? I have juggling balls in my hand because I'm autistic. Anyways, if you aren't making bank already, then Super Chat's really not a viable option for you. But what is a wonderful alternative is Patreon. Love you guys. Or even better, if you were like me and for some reason just don't stream on Twitch, then there's good news. Just use a PayPal link. It is just as convenient for the people who want to donate to you and takes a smaller cut. A much smaller cut. And you get your money immediately. Isn't that better? Honestly, I am of the belief that Super Chat needs work. AdSense in general, I'm not an expert on all that. That's a whole nother video for a whole other person. But I feel as though if you want to make streaming more of a lucrative option for people to compete with Twitch, you have to tweak Super Chat and make it so that you get your money immediately if somebody donates to Super Chat. And maybe take a smaller cut, please. Just saying, I'm pretty sure a lot of people would appreciate that. Even the bigger YouTubers would appreciate that. Just the thought. So that's really all this video was about. I tried making a more artsy video talking about the subject, but I'm not that entertaining, so I scrapped it. If you made it this far into the video, then thank you for sticking around through one of these unscripted rants, because I just suck at, I don't write stuff down. I just get a thought in my head, I put the camera up and I talk about it. That's just what I do. Currently, as this video goes live, I am currently streaming. I said currently twice in the same sentence. Fight me. I'm streaming Alan Wake and hopefully not dying a horrible death. Join me. I don't know what else to say, guys. I can juggle 2 balls in one hand. Don't take that out of context.